because I'm pretty stoked about it. So my name is I can't spell my name. It's just so weird, like actually writing versus typing. Brian Varga. This video is going to be about why I don't use traditional websites with marketing funnels. All right, so here we got. Let's do blue. Here we have like your basic website, like www.website.com. And then up here, you're probably going to have a bunch of links, you know, maybe some more links over here. You get like a picture, some content, you know, whatever. And then like maybe here, this drop down, maybe this will drop down and you have more links, you know. And the purpose of our website, right, is we want to sell stuff. You know, this is more like a library, or like this is like, okay, this is like this shows you everything about us, you know, like it doesn't really, it's just kind of there, it's just kind of it's just stagnant, it doesn't really do anything, you know. And a person might have to go through like, you know, maybe they'll have to go through like 5 links before they purchase something, you know. So today I want to talk about a funnel and why you should have a funnel and why you should be using funnels instead of traditional websites. So this is just there's so many different kinds of funnels. It all depends on your market and what your goals are and what you're trying to do with your customers. For this example, you know, maybe you have like a low-end product, maybe you have like a digital product you want to give away. So here, I don't know, hopefully you guys can see this. Hopefully we have an ad, you know, and this person sees the ad and they go to your squeeze page, or people call it a lead page. You know, maybe you have like a headline, whatever, and here they enter. Maybe you're going to give them something of value away, and they enter their email address, right? And then over here, we're going to have our sales page. We'll just call this the opt-in. And here you're selling, let's say you're selling like a $27 thing, you know, and you're in whatever, you have your sales page, you're pitching to them, and then up here we have maybe like a one-time special offer, you know, for, let's say that's like $97, and like maybe you'll give them some certain kind of training or something like that, and then maybe you'll have a downsell, like maybe like a payment plan, you know. So with this funnel, the thing that we're doing is we're collecting these email addresses, right, of all these people that are opting in, and what we're doing is that they're going on our list. We are sending people here to create a list. Now your list is the internet's only asset. Like Facebook, you can have people, you can have followers on Facebook, you can have YouTube subscribers, all these different platforms, they own that, you know, and then they can shut that off anytime they want. So the only real asset that you have on the internet with business is building up your list of people that are interested in your thing, right? So these emails go out like maybe day one, you know, they're bringing them back here in case they didn't purchase, you know, and they're bringing them back here, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, you know, maybe one of them brings up, you know, did you see my one-time offer, you know, like, so this is pretty much like a front end, low value, you know, there's like a value ladder, basic funnel for just to collecting and building up your list and whatever is the thing that you're promoting, your niche, you know. So this is why I don't use traditional websites, because it's like not 2004 anymore, and they're just, it's just old, it's broken, it's the old internet. So all right, thanks again, Brian Varda, thanks for watching this video.